Let's set the record straight. Here at Rockford, we just do it different. In-house engineering, designers, fabricators, and product validation. Yet what really sets us apart is asking ourselves one simple question. Why? And the answer is as simple as the question. It's because of you. We do it differently to ensure that your experience is second to none. Proper fitment, sound quality, and audio that makes your daily drive better. And that can't be experienced without the care, time, and the patented technology we deliver. It's the testing, validation, vehicle scanning. All to make sure that not only the performance is second to none, but the experience always exceeds your expectation. While every build starts with a goal, it's not how to build it, but more importantly, why we built it. And that why was built for you.